Wait, hold it right there. I have to show you what happened before this epic surprise. This video started off with testing out the new GoPro Hero 9 that I bought 5 months ago. I knew today was going to be an amazing day, but I never expected just how perfect it would be. You'll see that everything just clicked into place to surprise me on one of the most heartfelt moments of my life. Let's take it back and please enjoy the video. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry, long time no see. Obviously life has just got in the way because it's been boring as hell the last year or so. But I thought today I would try out the new GoPro Hero 9. I bought this in January and I have not had a chance to use it because everything's been on lockdown, but last week it was my birthday, well Tuesday, it's now Saturday, and I'm celebrating it this weekend. So my best friend Sophie's coming to pick me up and we're gonna go and do some sort of boat tour on the River Thames, so that'd be quite cool. It's good to take that GoPro Hero 9 there. Oh, Billy, we don't want to hear about the GoPro Hero 9. We can see it looks brilliant. Now, I'm gonna skip my rambling and you'll realize that from this point on, everything will just click into place, making the end of the video exactly what it was meant to be. So, Sophie was meant to be here at 1 o'clock and you are late, Sophie. Where are you, man? 1 o'clock, you said? She's stuck on traffic on the M25. There's never traffic on the M25. What a rubbish excuse, by the way. There's never traffic on the M25. Comment below, guys, if you think that there is traffic on the M25. I guarantee you'll all say, what are you talking about? That road's well clear. Okay, so to kill time, I just went to the shop and I've got beers and Sophie's now here before me and I'm coming, but she doesn't know I'm behind her with some Peronis. So here goes Sophie. Hi, Sophie! I don't know, because I had my GoPro on and I was like, Sophie, you're late. How dare you? I wish the GoPro had a zoom on it. Do you like my GoPro Hero 9?
I like it.
Oh, I can't get out of the car. Wait. Ow. This is Bradley.
Hello.
Hi, Bradley.
Hi, Billy.
I can't sing.
Yeah, you can't sing.
What do you mean?
Case in point.
Fill my bag.
Oh, how do we go then? No, what you got in there?
One's come out, right?
G-strings.
You bet. There you go.
There's like 8 beers in there, but no one else is drinking apparently.
Oh yeah, I'll have one.
Yes. That's my boy.
Billy, I'm gonna have to borrow your sunglasses for the one day.
No way.
You borrowed mine for 2 months.
I've just got mine.
You borrowed mine for 2 months.
I was just about to do a segment saying, oh my God, I've brought my sunglasses with me and it's the first time since my birthday that it's been sunny. So I can't wait to wear them. I'm not lending them out, no way. Right, I'm probably going to need a life jacket for this bit.
I'll sit over here because I'm driving.
You're driving, baby. Oh God, Bradley, it's really tipping, mate.
Welcome aboard, Susan.
Yay,
That's my mum's
Susan!
name. We're riding Susan.
Why?
Onto the high seas, we say.
Onto the high seas. Shall I put the
Okay.
GoPro in the Thames?
Yeah, go
See how
on.
clean it is?
Speedboat before, that was fun.
Okay. Yeah, put it in the Thames, go for it.
I put my hand strap on. I don't want to be swimming in there trying to find it.
Shark comes up. Bites your hand off.
Well, shark.
Well, yeah.
Right, here we go, guys. In the really, like, this is the cleanest water
In Europe.
in the world.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't.
So if you swim in here, you could drink this shit. There's no salt in it. Like,
do not drink it. Don't fucking drink it.
why? It's beautiful. Look how clear it is.
Dirty.
It's lovely. Right, here you go. In you go. Tell me what it's like. And that's it. It's gone.
Keep it on that.
Yeah, that's it. That's perfect. No, you got it. You got it.
Keep it on the heading.
I'm trying to.
Keep it.
But it is taking its own course of life.
I know.
That's
this
it's
is
just
where
with the
you
tide.
adjust.
It's just the tide. It's all good. Quick! I love Quidditch. It's raining.
Oh, yeah, that's
Really having it now. What the fuck?
I'm gonna get ammonia. I'll get you.
I'll be back. Do you know what? I'm dedicated. Let's go.
You got to walk the fucking coat on. Alex, yeah. Doesn't it think it would piss down like this? You live in England.
Oh my god! My butt is so wet.
Go home.
For goodness sake. Sophie, look at me.
We'll get you dried off.
What do you mean, dried off?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Look, I've got to go for dinner. We were like, it's so sunny, got my shades out. I know.
I hate English weather.
Honestly, we literally were like, we were feeling it, you know? God damn it. I didn't even get, my beer is refilled. I promised that was empty. Woo!
Right. Who wants to disembark first?
Oh, I think naturally it should be Alex.
Alone again.
Oh dear, what a load of... That was, oh, he was so unlucky on that last little bit. Oh dear. Bye-bye. So long, motherfucker. Bye! Bye-bye! Oh look, the sun's out. I've got to be quiet because there's a baby inside. Look at that, just like that. Welcome to England, kids. Welcome to the United Kingdom. And welcome to Sophie's house. What is this? House tours with Sophie. Hey Soph, how was that taxi ride?
Interesting. We taught him how to drive.
Yep.
We also had to tell him how to use his car heater.
And he also had the cheek to ask for a 5-star rating. No, I'm joking.
Calling you a boy.
Yeah, he said I look like a boy as well. And I said, well, you're shit at driving. And he took it well, so he was a champ, so well done. But now we're going to the pub because my boyfriend should be there, hopefully. And we're going to meet him and then go for a meal afterwards. Sophie's going to leave me though in like 10 minutes, which is really sad. And I want her to come back and come for the meal.
Which I will.
Are you coming for the meal? Yeah!
No, I'm coming back with drinks at the town.
Okay, well hopefully she will, yeah. If I'm not too pissed and want to go to sleep and die. So, anyway. See you in there! Prevent the spread.
You okay?
Say hello!
You need to come this way. Don't sign in. It's absolutely fine.
Ooh!
Come.
Ooh! Oh my god! What's going on? Jesus! Oh my god!
Can I video your face right now? Happy birthday, baby.
What the
Come here. Hey, it's all down to Jay, mate. It's all down to Jay. It's Jay, isn't it? Hey.
Every single one's got a story to tell. Everyone knows about it. Too long, I'm so
Sound the girl.